In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Bluebeam PDF Printer. If your Bluebeam PDF printer has gone missing, stopped appearing in the print list, or is acting up after an update, this quick process will restore it the right way using Bluebeam's built-in tools. Start by opening Bluebeam Revu on your computer. You can launch it from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut. Make sure you close any large print jobs or heavy applications first, since this process briefly touches your print system, and it's best to keep things simple while it runs. With Revu open, go to the top menu bar and click Help, then choose Repair Installation. This isn't a full reinstall of Bluebeam. It opens a maintenance utility designed to fix common components, most importantly, the PDF printer. Depending on your Windows settings, you may see a permission prompt. Approve it so the tool can make the necessary changes. Also, if you're on a work device, ensure you have enough permission to make system changes. If the option is grayed out, your IT administrator may need to run it for you. When the repair installation window appears, look for the option labeled Reinstall Printer and select it. This specifically targets the Bluebeam PDF printer driver and its associated ports and settings, replacing anything that's missing or corrupted. It's the safest and most direct way to bring back the printer without reinstalling the whole application. Next, click OK to begin and wait for the process to finish. You'll see progress indicators as Windows and Bluebeam update the print driver. During this time, the Windows print spooler may briefly restart, which can momentarily pause other printers on your system. That's normal, just let it complete without closing the window or interrupting the operation. The length of the repair can vary depending on system speed, but most machines finish within a few minutes. When it's done, you'll receive a confirmation and the window will close. At this point, the Bluebeam PDF printer should be available to your applications again, and it should appear in your printer list the next time you go to print. If you were previously getting errors or the printer was missing, this targeted reinstall usually resolves those issues, and that's it. By opening Bluebeam Revu, running Help, Repair Installation, choosing Reinstall Printer, and clicking OK to let it complete, you've restored the Bluebeam PDF printer the correct way. If you work in a managed environment and still don't see the printer afterward, check with your administrator to confirm permissions or group policies. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get back to creating PDFs smoothly.